Hello from sunny MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to be doing a video walkthrough of a 2021 Boston Whaler 17-foot Montauk. On the back of this Montauk, it is outfitted with a black Mercury 4-stroke outboard engine. On the inside, you'll notice that there's rod holders and there's seating in the back. We're going to turn to face the front. Here's the helm station with a small windshield. The helm seat is articulating. It can move forward and backwards. Plenty of cup holders throughout this boat. Here's the black bimini top to shield you from the sun. And up front, there's plenty of storage and seating. If you would like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to call us at 239-481-8200 today. Thank you.